Let me show you how to create this text portrait effect in Photoshop. Add photo by dragging your photo to Photoshop. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Hide the upper layer and choose the lower layer. Add new guideline. Now choose the type tool and choose white color when press OK. Write your text. I use this font and settings. Press Ctrl A to select all. Center the text horizontally. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Select this layer. Choose the marquee selection tool. Follow this process. Add a layer mask. Now unhide this image layer. Click here and choose Create Clipping Mask. Choose the type tool and write the author your text. Press Ctrl T to resize and rotate text. Press Ctrl Shift Alt E to merge all layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, choose Camera Raw Filter. Follow these settings. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.